Alright, today we're going to play Name That Rock. This is my latest batch of rocks, and it's a mixed batch, and I don't know what most of these rocks are. So this is a game just for fun. What we'll do is I'll hold up one rock at a time, and I'll show you the rock and tell you a little bit about it. And then in the comments I'll have a number for each rock, and you can say what you think the rock is. If you're pretty sure you know what it is, try to leave some indication of how sure you are. So say I'm 100% sure that's what the rock is. If you're really just guessing, well, say that too. Alright, let's get started with an easy one. At least I think this is easy. But I know what the rock is, so maybe it's just easy because I know it. It has this neat effect as you move it back and forth. There's a name for that, and I can't remember what it is right now. Anyhow, that's rock number one. For our next rock, we have this one. It's got a very nice shine to it. Black and gray. I don't know what else to say. I might know what this is, but I'm not 100% sure. This one has a little bit of translucency to it. For this next type of rock, I've got several examples. I think I like this the best of all of them. This is another opaque rock. I think I know the general category of this rock, but I'm not sure the specific one it is. Cool looking rock though. This is the largest rock in the batch. What do you think? This is the next rock. Pretty little rock. You can see just a little bit of light through the dark area here. Very shiny. I have no idea what that is. This is one of my favorites in the batch. Looks like that on the front. Back looks like that. A couple little holes I didn't get out there. This one has a little translucency to it. Here's one that isn't the prettiest rock in the batch, but it has a neat little sparkle. See if I can show you. You see the sparkle in there? Kind of cool. And you can see a little bit of light through this one too. Okay, next up I have these two little guys. They're very thin, and you can see my finger right through there really easily. Pretty sure I know what that is. This one's by far my favorite rock in the whole batch. Really pretty. I know what this one is, but I'm not going to tell you because it's a game. It's not tumbled smooth on the back. It's pretty much went in rough on the back, just sawn in half. This one was given to me by my friend Chuck. Great rock. It's a pretty rock. You can see lots of light through this one. Next up is this one. I like this one a lot too. Hopefully somebody knows what it is, because I don't. These two little guys didn't get very shiny. A little bit shiny, but not much. But I really like them a lot. Very thin, no light passes through them. Not sure what they are. These three are scraps from making guitar picks, so if you watch my guitar pick video, you might recognize the type of rock it is. This one's really translucent. You can see my finger through there. Pretty common rock, so you'll probably know what that one is. And this little guy is quite fractured. This part isn't so fractured, but I broke a lot of little pieces off this in the process of tumbling it. You can see there's a little crack right along there. Pretty shade of green. Last one. This one's got some nice little swirls in it, really bright. Shows a little light through it. And I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Let's see if you guys agree. Okay, those are some of my favorite rocks. If you know what any of those are, please make a comment. And if you like this game, let me know and maybe we'll play again sometime. Thanks for watching. See you next time.